Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to jack up a Volvo XC60, updated. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake. Identify safe jack points and clear the area of bystanders and pets. Never work under a vehicle supported only by a jack. Always use jack stands. Keep tools organized and follow the vehicle manual's lift recommendations. Move deliberately and check stability at each step to stay safe. Prepare your tools before lifting the XC60 and confirm the jack has the correct capacity. Position wheel chocks on the diagonal wheel and loosen lug nuts slightly if removing a wheel. Remove any heavy items from the cargo area to reduce load. Always note the factory lift points on the pinch weld or jacking pad. Keep a clear escape path in case the vehicle shifts unexpectedly during the lift operation. Begin lifting at the marked jack point and raise the vehicle until the tire clears the ground. Carefully place jack stands under the recommended support points and lower the car slowly so it rests securely. Verify that stands are flush and stable on the ground before removing the hydraulic jack. If removing a wheel, finish loosening lug nuts now. Recheck stability after any adjustment and never put your body under the car without redundant support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.